Hello guys, welcome to Tech Sorted. Today we're gonna talk about the most exciting topic and it's being the buzzword around in a while, that is Earth 2. I know there are many questions buzzing in your mind. What is Earth 2? Will it be the next big thing as Bitcoin? Will it be the next, the future of virtual reality shopping? Is it even trustworthy to invest or is this something where we can safely invest? So I'll try to answer all these questions. Let's start. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. 10 years ago, when Bitcoin started, it was priced at $0.08 or I can say 5.8 Indian rupees. Everyone was telling that it's a scam, it's a scam or it will not grow and all these things. But today it's around like $68,000 or in Indian rupees we say 50 lakh rupees. So can you imagine what would your 10 rupee investment in that would look like? It would look like something like 1 crore rupees. And also, if I take an example of Amazon, 23 years ago, Amazon.com launched its IPO at a price of $18 per share. Now, the $10 invested on that day would price be more than $1.8 million as of January 2021. Hold on. Don't just run into conclusion. I'm not saying that Earth 2 can be or Earth 2 can or cannot follow Bitcoin. Yeah, there are both possibilities, but don't just run into conclusion of investing in Earth 2. So let's start by understanding what is Earth 2. Can it become the next Bitcoin? So Earth 2 is a conceptual trading platform that allows people to search, claim, purchase or bid any place of virtual land around the world. So you can purchase, claim or bid any place around the world. Basically, it's the Earth geographically split into 5.1 trillion land tiles. Now what I mean by this, Earth 2 is Earth 2 is a virtual replica of Earth which is divided into 5.1 trillion land tiles, and it's meaning that it's mapped 1 is to 1. That is, it is same size as our actual Earth. Virtual land on Earth 2 is one of the most exciting and digital commodities in the world today, and the earlier you buy, the greater chance you have of making larger profits and returns on the property in the short and as well as the long term. So let's talk about who created Earth 2 and why. Shane Isaac is the founder of Earth 2, the VR pioneer Dylan Sheo, who was the co-founder of Oculus, a subsidiary of Facebook, is the business advisor for Earth 2. Earth 2 was created because there needs to be a central platform that over time brings together all key VRs, haptic and similar, relevant emerging technologies for use and enjoyment by people within an open world that is massive, magical and familiar. We know that the new technologies are emerging day by day with the advancement of virtual reality as well as AR. Virtual marketing, virtual shopping, and traveling are becoming easier. Imagine a situation: you are sitting in your house and you put your VR and you are into a Dubai shop, maybe jewelry shop or some clothing shop. You purchase your items, then you roam around in the cities of Dubai, and it's a wholesome experience. So all these innovations, all these virtual reality innovations, they need some base platform where they can collaborate or they can merge. So I think that that platform is Earth 2. Is Earth 2 a scam? In my opinion, I don't think so. If you know about virtual reality, then you may be familiar with Delon Show. He has mentioned in his LinkedIn profile that he is the business advisor for Earth 2. So there are big names involved in this program. So there are few chances of it being a scam. Well, to be very safe, I would recommend invest only that money which you won't mind it losing. Like invest and forget. So if it clicks, you will be like 100 or 1,000 times richer. If it's not, then you may not regret losing it. So, well, to be honest, Bitcoin and all these things, they are a kind of gambling, because if you see that the prices of Bitcoin are fluctuating way more than the prices of share market. So it's a kind of gambling in a way or another. Now let's talk about the different phases of Earth 2. The Earth 2 is divided into three phases. The first phase is purchasing land with the prices starting as $0.10 to be quick to be claimed. The land prices increases as more people buy land in that particular country. So when it was launched, the prices for a block in the USA, it was approximately $0.1, and now it's trading in $59. So you can see the difference in the prices. If you had brought like 100 blocks by investing $10, then it would be worth approximately $5,900 as of now. So there are huge huge changes and huge fluctuations in the prices. As more and more people have started investing, the prices of the blocks for each country are increasing. A few days ago, the prices of one block in India, it was approximately $0.2, and now I see the prices at around $4 per block. a 20 times return in just a few like months. So it's the phase one. Then moving on to the phase two and phase three, these are not launched yet, but these particular phases involve the resources that will be released in the first half of 2021, like in July or maybe in August. So at the earliest possible point, it will involve the ability for a virtual land to begin generating different types of resources. Now moving on to the phase two and phase three part of our two plan. So these in this particular phase two and phase three, resources will be released in the first half of 2021. So let's move on to the website. Here when we click buy land option, yeah, here we can see the satellite view. There are different views of the map where we can see the prices as well as the heat map, the satellite view or the normal map. Here we will search, let's say, New Delhi. Yeah, if we see Air Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi, so here we can see that some blocks are being purchased by India or by US or American and Canadian people. So when we click in one particular block or select certain blocks, here we can see the prices of single block is $4.5 and the total amount is $206. And here we can see the available resources. So these are different resources that these blocks will generate. So every block or the every piece of land will generate some resources. Maybe it has maybe some fresh water or sand. So it's basically whole of a virtual replica, and those resources, they are not, I think, not united with the resources available actually in the present earth. So these two things are different. So these resources will be tradable between users from other resources or traders. Like I trade fresh water from some gold, or somebody else trade oil for some fresh water. So these resources are tradable and it can be bought or it can be sold. Well, this is the brief intro of Earth 2 program. So let's explore website a bit. So there is a satellite view as well as we can zoom in and zoom out. And if we go to map, yeah. So this is a normal map, normal Google Map view, and we can also see a heat map here. Oh, that's the parameter of heat. I Okay, moving on to the marketplace section. Here we can see that there are different amount of tiles and there are different people who are having their tiles, and we can buy those tiles or view those tiles. Let's see. Okay, there are different properties like the tile class, land title, and all these things. Okay, so we can buy these tiles from these persons. Actually not buying from Earth too, we can buy these tiles from these persons. They have their own prices. Like I have bought certain particular tiles and I can sell it on different prices. So that's the thing, it's a marketplace. Now moving on to the leaderboard section, here we can see that the people are ranked by their net worth. I think, yeah, credits and net worth. So this person, Mysore person, he had a total net worth of $588,000. So here we can sort it by net worth or most tiles. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and do let me know in the comment section your views and opinions about Earth 2. I'll meet you super soon in the next video. Until then, goodbye.